For many men over 60, conversations about sexuality become quieter, more private, even avoided. But the truth is, sexual expression doesn't expire with age. In fact, maintaining a healthy, intimate life can have significant benefits for both physical and emotional well-being. And that includes self-pleasure, done safely and with awareness. I'm Dr. Isabel Lopez, a urologist specialized in men's health and vitality with over 25 years of experience. And where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments and stick around because I have a surprise for you at the end. Today, I want to talk about how to stay sexually active and confident, privately, safely, and without discomfort, as your body continues to change. Masturbation remains one of the most natural and accessible forms of sexual expression, especially for older men. It helps reduce stress, supports prostate health, and even improves sleep and circulation. But as we age, the techniques that worked in the past may not be the best fit today. That's where knowledge becomes power. A common concern among older men is sensitivity, either too much or too little. There's also the issue of joint stiffness, slower blood flow, and skin that may not tolerate the same pressure it once did. But none of this means you have to stop. It simply means you need to adapt, gently, mindfully, and with the right tools. In this video, you'll learn how to enjoy safe self-pleasure that respects your current body. I'll walk you through techniques that avoid irritation, tools that enhance comfort, and signs to watch for if something doesn't feel quite right. This is about freedom, not restriction, and about protecting what matters. Follow the channel so you don't miss these important tips. In the next part, we'll explore why safe self-pleasure is especially important after 60, and what physical changes you should be aware of. As men age, their bodies naturally go through changes that affect every system, including sexual function. Skin becomes thinner and more sensitive, circulation slows down, and hormone levels shift. These changes don't mean intimacy is over, they simply call for more awareness and care, especially during self-pleasure. One important factor is skin sensitivity. What once felt pleasurable might now feel too intense or even uncomfortable if the technique isn't adjusted. This is especially true for the glands and surrounding areas, where dryness and friction can lead to irritation. Gentle handling and proper lubrication can make all the difference in preserving comfort. Circulatory health also plays a major role. After 60, blood vessels are less elastic, and blood flow can take longer to respond. Overly aggressive stimulation can strain blood vessels or lead to temporary erectile discomfort. By adopting a slower pace and focusing on sensation over intensity, men can avoid unnecessary pressure on the body. Prostate health is another major reason to approach self-pleasure with care. Regular, moderate ejaculation can support prostate function by keeping fluids moving and reducing congestion. However, rough or excessive techniques may create tension in the pelvic region, which could irritate the prostate rather than support it. There's also the matter of joints and positioning. Arthritis or lower back stiffness can make certain movements awkward or painful. Safe self-pleasure means finding comfortable, supportive positions that don't cause strain or reduce circulation to the legs and pelvis. Using pillows or adjusting posture can go a long way. Lastly, safe masturbation helps prevent the most common risks: irritation, soreness, or even minor injuries. These may seem small, but they can impact confidence and create hesitation around intimacy. Practicing with mindfulness protects both body and self-esteem, keeping intimacy alive and healthy well into your later years. In the next section, I'll show you the best practices, techniques, tools, and timing that can enhance your comfort and pleasure while respecting your body's needs. When it comes to safe self-pleasure after 60, technique is everything. The first and most important adjustment is pressure. A firm grip that once felt satisfying may now cause discomfort or even minor injury. Try using a looser, more relaxed grip that allows for movement without friction or strain. Focus on sensation, not intensity. Before we dive in, I want to share something special with you. I've created a 21-day challenge designed to help restore your daily vitality and confidence using simple, natural practices. It takes less than 15 minutes a day and supports your energy, circulation, and overall sexual wellness. Grab your copy of the ebook now. The link is pinned at the top of the comments. Lubrication is essential at this stage in life. As the skin loses moisture more easily, dry stimulation can lead to irritation. Use a water-based lubricant for safety and comfort, especially if you're prone to sensitivity. Slightly warming the lubricant in your hands before use can also make the experience more soothing and natural. Stick with me until the end, because what I'm about to share might truly change your life. And don't forget, I've got a surprise waiting for you at the very end of this video. Another important factor is rhythm. Fast, repetitive motion may overwhelm nerve endings and reduce sensitivity over time. Try slowing down, varying motion, and focusing on pleasure, not performance. Positioning also matters. Many men feel more comfortable lying down with slight elevation under the knees or using cushions to support the lower back. If arthritis or mobility is an issue, seated positions with back support may be better. Comfort reduces tension and lets you focus on enjoyment without strain. Some men explore the use of safe, medical-grade devices designed for stimulation. If so, always choose products made specifically for older adults. Avoid anything too aggressive or difficult to clean. Safety, hygiene, and ease of use are top priorities. The goal is to enhance your experience, not complicate it. In the next part, we'll talk about how to recognize early warning signs that something may not be quite right and when it's time to speak with a professional. While self-pleasure is generally safe and healthy, it's important to recognize when something doesn't feel right. One of the first signs to watch for is irritation, redness, soreness, or persistent sensitivity after stimulation. If these symptoms don't resolve within a day or two, they may be signs that the technique, pressure, or lubrication needs to be adjusted. Persistent pain is another red flag. Discomfort during or after masturbation could signal a strain in the pelvic muscles, nerve sensitivity, or an issue with circulation. Swelling, especially around the foreskin or shaft, should never be ignored. In rare cases, it may indicate a condition that needs medical evaluation, particularly if it's accompanied by heat or changes in color. Unusual discharge or changes in the color or smell of semen or urine can also be warning signs. While aging naturally changes the body's responses, these shifts should still be monitored. If discharge becomes cloudy, bloody, or accompanied by burning sensations, it's essential to consult a urologist. Psychological signs matter just as much. If self-pleasure becomes a source of frustration, guilt, or emotional withdrawal, it may be time to reassess your relationship with sexuality. Likewise, if it starts interfering with daily responsibilities or replaces other forms of connection, it's worth discussing with a professional who understands men's mental and sexual health. Loss of interest in sexual activity can also be a subtle sign of an underlying health issue, whether hormonal, cardiovascular, or emotional. Many men dismiss it as just aging, but often there are treatable reasons behind the change. Honest reflection and open conversation can lead to real solutions. If any symptom persists, worsens, or causes worry, don't hesitate. A urologist trained in men's health and aging can help you address these issues without shame or judgment. The sooner you act, the sooner you can return to a satisfying, worry-free experience. In the final segment, we'll bring all of this together so you can move forward with clarity, comfort, and confidence at any age. Join the Members Club, drop a super like, follow the channel, and leave a comment. Your experiences and insights matter, especially in conversations that too many men still shy away from. Let's normalize healthy, safe, and fulfilling intimacy at every stage of life. Remember, gentle technique, proper lubrication, and body awareness are the keys to safe self-pleasure after 60. When you approach your body with respect and care, pleasure becomes not just possible, but sustainable, deeply satisfying, and free from worry. Sexual expression is a lifelong right. It's not about performance, pressure, or proving anything. It's about connection to yourself, to your vitality, and to the quiet moments of comfort and joy that only you can create. Age doesn't take that away. It simply invites a new approach. If something doesn't feel right, don't wait. Pain, discomfort, or emotional strain aren't signs of weakness. They are signals your body and mind deserve more support. There are professionals, tools, and techniques that exist specifically for this stage of life. You're not alone in this journey. And most importantly, don't let shame silence your curiosity. Sexual wellness is part of your overall health, and learning how to adapt with age is a sign of wisdom, not limitation. You've earned the right to feel good, physically, emotionally, and intimately. Don't forget to download the 21-Day Vitality Challenge ebook. It's designed to support your energy, sexual wellness, and daily confidence in just a few minutes a day. The link is pinned at the very top of the comments. Get started today.